Not just yours. It'll be near 100 degrees and it'll be mid-90s.
Dell Studio 1737 using an HP TV tuner. As you can see, I kind of got it, my antenna on the wall right there. I just put it up there just to see if it's working, and it is. I'm watching live TV. I'm making a video, baby. Watching live TV on this old laptop from 2009. Intel Core 2 Duo T9400, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Intel integrated graphics, raw-link, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth mini card, and the HP remote works with the TV as well. I'll just change the channels here. Sorry about the video. It's my first one, but just thought I'd let you guys know that if you have this HP remote and TV tuner from an old laptop I had back in 2006, I believe, maybe 2007, it will work in the Dell Studio with Windows 7, still running Windows 7. Another thing I want to point out is this studio came with Vista Ultimate, and I didn't want to pay for the Windows 7 upgrade, so I removed the hard drive out of a Compaq that has worse specs than this computer, but actually newer and just too slow. I just pulled that hard drive out of that Compaq and stuck it in here, and Windows 7 found all the drivers, installed them, and there you have it. So now I have Windows 7 on the Dell Studio. Awesome little laptop that's still going. Still going. Thanks for watching.